Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aries. I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. So we have 3 of water, 4 of air, and 6 of fire. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are taking time off from work, maybe, or giving yourself time to relax, planning a holiday for some of you, and you are quite bored about the way things are going. Maybe all that work, that hard work you have been doing in your career situation has made you really tired. You want to take rest, maybe, guys, and today you are doing it, maybe taking a break from work, taking time off, taking your mind off all those responsibilities, having some peaceful time for yourself. Maybe you're spending time with your friends or family members, having a good time, relaxing time today. Or it may be your energy in this relationship. You are thinking about this connection, thinking deeply, and you want to take time for yourself because you are making a very important decision today, and you need to find your what is the next step for yourself, and you are trying to assess this circumstance you are seeing in this relationship. Maybe with this person you are really confident about this love. You feel that this love will work for the better, things are really good, and this person is truly inspiring you in the right way. You feel really happy to be with this person, happy to be in this love, and you feel a deep attachment to them. Maybe they are your best friend, a very good friend, and there is a lot of joy and excitement when you are with this person, and you share a very deep bond with this person, guys, with this person you love. And whatever qualities you both have, maybe the good qualities, the bad qualities, whatever it is, you know about each other very well, and there is a very strong connection you both share. So, this may be a twin flame or a soulmate connection, guys, we see here. That may be the reason for this level of that depth of this connection we see with these cards. So you both have a good friendship, a great compatibility, and a beautiful intimate relationship with each other, and you are really happy to be with this person. And today maybe you are thinking of marriage or commitment. So things are going in a very positive way in this relationship, Aries. So, for your career situation, before that, guys, let's see what is the card for your relationship. Queen of Air. So, with this card, it just means that you have a beautiful understanding, honest understanding about each other, and you are making a clear choice today, clear decision for yourself, and it is the right choice. You are really making a right choice based on the truth in your heart, and it is the right choice because it is something that is going to work for you, work well for you. So maybe if you are thinking of commitment to this person, you are making the right choice. Or if you are even thinking of taking a break in this relationship, maybe waiting for some time to make that decision, that is also right, guys, because this card means that you are making a shrewd decision for yourself, and that is a very honest decision you are making today, guys, Aries, whatever it may be. So for your career situation, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. Temptation. So there are a lot of offers and opportunities coming your way, but you must be really discerning, make the right choice today. So certain choices may look very tempting, but it may not work well for you, guys. So you must be really clear and go for the right choice in your career circumstances, and do not fall for temptation today. So that is the energy with this card. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Aries. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good, try to be good and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So, soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So, in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether our soul, this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card. And that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.